Recorded.
Filters like slicer, you can apply the filter on this one. Without slicer also you can apply the filter on the visual. Okay, without slicers you can apply the filter. How? On the right side you can see the filters pane, and if you click on this it will get expanded. You get expanded. You can see two options here by default. In the filters pane, there are two options. Filters on this page, filters on all pages. This is an interview question. They will ask you in the case of filters, what type of filters that you can, there are three types. One is the filters on this page and filters on all pages. So filters on this page, what it tells us is, if I select any, if I drop any column here, for example, if I drop the category column here, let me do one thing. If I drag and drop the category column here, here we have a filtering option. Whatever the values that you selected here, based on the values that you selected, the filter will get applied on this entire page. All the visuals in this page, like your slicer. If you want to clear it, you can click on the eraser icon here. It will get cleared. This one is filters on this page. Supposing I have multiple pages are there. Whatever the selection that I make it here, that one should get applied not only in this page, across the other pages. In that kind of situation, you can go for filters on all pages. And is it possible for me to apply the filter only to a specific visual? Yes, that is possible. For example, if I select this visual, the tree map here, you can see that filters on this visual, a new option got enabled here. Additional option got enabled here. So here in this filters on this visual, when you select any specific visual, this one will get enabled. And what are the columns that I use it here in this visual? That one will appear here. The category, profit, region, sales. These are the one that I use in this visual. And with this, you can apply the filter based on the specific column. Okay, in the case of category, I'm going to select the furniture and technology category. How do I do multi-select? You need to hold the control key and select it. Okay, now it shows the furniture and office supplies and what are the other things? Yeah, quantity. You can segment also, you can do it. Here you can click on it and display only the consumer segment. And if you scroll down here, yeah, that's it. The consumer segment, whatever the sales are there, you can apply a filter on a specific visual. That option is also available. There are three types of filters. One is the filters on this visual, and filters on page, filters on all pages. Remember this is an interview questions. The next question is, what is the difference between slicer and filter? The filter is a feature, right? So with that, we can apply the filter on a specific visual, on a page, or entire page, or across the reports, you can apply the filter. Okay, but it is not very user friendly. It is not user friendly here. Okay, so instead of having the filter, the recommended approach is use the slicer. With slicer, this filter is kind of testing purpose. Maybe it's for report developer or designer. The filter is helpful. But whereas in the case of slicer on canvas, if you display this one, the slicer on top of a canvas, this will improve your reporting user experience. It is more user friendly compared to this one. But with slicer, you cannot apply filters on a specific visual. Now we understood the difference between the slicer and filter. So, okay, with this, I'm going to wrap up. Fine, Priya, okay, you need to go to office, I understood. I'm going to wrap up as of this. Anybody has any questions in today's session? Try out all these things. Okay, I will upload the videos today, including yesterday's video and today video I'll upload it. And you have the final playlist is available. You can see all the visuals out there, all the videos out there.